Good evening to all of you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Narendra. Good evening, Parth. Good evening, Aditya. Good evening, Aditi. Good evening, Kavya. Good evening, Devi Singh. Yes, I was a little late today. Sorry for that, Narendra. Okay, so let us get started, everyone, with the today's class. आज की क्लास से हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. So in today's class हम सोलर सिस्टम के क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं. One of the most important topics RMS के लिए भी अगर आप टारगेट करें हो, we get questions from solar system. तो क्विकली आज का सेशन हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. गुड इवनिंग भाव्या, हाउ आर यू विराट. गुड इवनिंग everyone. Quickly सब लोग जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. Okay, by the time everyone joins here, so what is the important information that I have to share with everyone. मॉक टेस्ट के लिए आप लोग कह रहे थे कंप्लीट सिलेबस के. सो 3 कंप्लीट सिलेबस के मॉक टेस्ट का ये सीरीज है. पूरे कंप्लीट सिलेबस के टेस्ट है इसमें. इट इज जस्ट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ₹29. आप इसको वेबसाइट पे जाके हमारे एक्सेस कर सकते हो. ओके, द नेम ऑफ द वेबसाइट मैंने लिंक भी पिन अप किया हुआ है, उसको भी आप लेके एक्सेस कर सकते हो, knowellbell.com. और यू कैन सिंपली जस्ट मैसेज मी टू हैव द नंबर. ओके, आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो 8305103918. आप जितना भी पढ़ रहे हो, पढ़ने के साथ साथ इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम क्वेश्चन को भी प्रैक्टिस करते जाएं. वी शुड बी एबल टू अप्लाई आवर नॉलेज इनटू क्वेश्चन. जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, ओके, वो हमको क्या करना चाहिए, उसको हमको क्वेश्चंस में सॉल्व करते आना चाहिए. वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है? जस्ट मिनट. वॉइस इज क्लियर. ओके, सो उसको जो है हमको क्वेश्चंस में अप्लाई करते आना चाहिए. आर एंटायर नॉलेज, आर एंटायर स्टडीज. तो उसके लिए यू कैन यूज दिस मॉक टेस्ट, कंप्लीट सिलेबस, एंड दे आर ऑन द पैटर्न ऑफ सैनिक स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. 125 क्वेश्चंस 2.5 आवर में आप इसको यहाँ पे आप बिल्कुल एक्सेस कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस इज वी हैव आल्सो लॉन्च द सीरीज. आपका जो प्रिपरेशन कोर्स है, दिस इज लाइक 6 months कोर्स फॉर सैनिक स्कूल एंड राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. डेली इसमें 2 hours आपकी क्लासेस रहेगी. You will get e-notes. डेली जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसके नोट्स वहाँ पे होंगे. There will be a daily practice paper. जितनी क्लासेस होंगी उतने क्लासेस के लिए you'll have a 10 question daily practice paper. Every Sunday we are going to have a test. इसके साथ ही साथ you'll also be a part of 1500 plus practice questions का जो question bank होगा उसके भी आप पार्ट रहोगे. मतलब when you will be in the series आपको already 1500 plus जो questions हैं यहाँ पे practice करने के लिए मिलेंगे. Whether they will be from GK, mathematics, topic wise ये पूरा questions का बैंक रहेगा. उसको आप यहाँ पे मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ टाइम जो है प्रैक्टिस के लिए सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एंड क्लास में वी विल बी हैविंग लाइव डाउट सेशन. इस सेशन में जितने भी डाउट्स हैं आप क्लास में ही हैंड रेज करके हैंड रेज के ऑप्शंस में यू कैन गेट देम रिजॉल्व. इन द न्यू सीरीज अभी रिसेंटली बैच स्टार्ट हुआ है. यू कैन गेट कनेक्टेड विद दैट. सिलेबस बिल्कुल भी आगे नहीं बढ़ा है. इसके साथ ही साथ में आप कवर अप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. ओके, सो लेट अस नाउ गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज सेशन. क्वेश्चंस हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. सो एवरीवन, coming back to the question of solar system, the first question is which star is the head of solar system. इनमें से कौन सा स्टार जो है, which is the star is the head of solar system. Earth, moon, sun or big bear. Which star is the head of solar system? Provide your answers, everyone. Which star is known as the head of solar system? Good. First answer is given by Bhavya. Second is Aditi. Which star is called head of solar system? Head of solar system किसको कहते हैं? We are using the term solar. Solar means sun. We are using the term solar. Solar का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे sun. So what is the right answer for question? The right answer for the question is sun. Which star is called as the head of solar system? किस star को हम कहते हैं as the head of solar system? So head of solar system is sun. Sun is the star which is referred to as the head of solar system. The right answer we have for the question is option C. The next question is which planet is closest to the sun? इनमें से कौन सा planet है that is closest to the sun? Earth, Venus, Mars or Mercury. Which planet is present closest to the sun? Which planet is present closest to the sun? The first answer correct over here is given by Bhavya. Good, Bhavya. Okay, so which planet is closest to the sun? Sun के closest कौन सा planet present है? Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. So we have to keep in mind Mercury. Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. जब हम solar system देखते हैं, so this is your sun. sun के बाद जो पहला planet होता है, what is that? The planet is Mercury. What is the name of the planet? The name of the planet is Mercury. So right answer for the question is option D. The closest planet to the sun. Which planet is present closest to the sun? The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. The next question is which planet is the brightest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth or Saturn, which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Solar system में इनमें से सबसे brightest planet कौन सा है? Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Good. Everyone is providing the answers correctly here. Right. B is the right answer. Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Venus, which is the brightest planet in the solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Solar system का सबसे bright planet कौन सा है? So you will keep in mind Venus. Venus reflects the light most. So brightest planet is here Venus. Okay. So the first answer for question number 3 this is. Okay. Yes. It is given by Narendra. Good, Narendra. You have provided the answer correctly. Okay, the first answer for this question is given by Narendra. Okay. The next question after this, which planet is the nearest star to Earth? Which planet is the nearest star to Earth? Mercury, Moon, Venus or Sun? Which is the nearest? देखिए, read the question carefully. Always you have to develop the habit कि आप question को ध्यान से read करोगे. The question is asking nearest star. Question is not asking for planet. Question planet के लिए बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Question is for star. Question कह रहा है which is the nearest star to Earth. Which is the nearest star to Earth? What is the right answer? Mercury, Moon, Venus or Sun? D. Why it will be C? काव्या C क्यों होगा? That's what I am saying. Question is asking for star. अगर आप options को ध्यान से देखोगे आप will get the answer. What is Mercury? Mercury क्या है? Mercury is a planet. What is Mercury? Mercury is a planet. What is Moon? Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. What is Venus? Venus is also a planet. Question किसके लिए पूछ रहा है? Question is asking for star. So there is just one star. Option में अगर आप देखोगे, so we have just one star. That is sun. हमारे पास एक ही star given है question में. That is sun. So right answer for the question will be option D, sun. And the first correct answer for this question is given by Bhavya. Good, Bhavya. Okay. So what is the right answer? The nearest star to the Earth. The nearest star to the Earth is sun. The next question after this is, all the planets move around the sun in n rectangular path, straight path, elliptical path or circular path. All the planets move around the sun. All the planets move around the sun in a circular path, in an elliptical path, what will be the correct answer? So like here you can see in this picture, यहाँ पे sun है and all the planets are moving around the sun. So what is the shape of this path? तो सबसे पहले तो हम ये याद रखेंगे, what is this path called? This path is called as orbit. इस path को हम क्या कहते हैं? This path is called as orbit. So all the planets move in a specific orbit around the sun. And what is the shape of the orbit? Let us see who will answer the first. Circular? No, it is not circular. Everyone is answering circular. Aditi has also only answered correctly. सिर्फ अदिति ने यहाँ पे correct answer किया है. That is elliptical. What is the right answer for the question? The correct answer for the question will be elliptical. All the planets move around the sun in what kind of path? All the planets move around the sun in an elliptical path. Okay. So the first answer is given by Aditi. Very good, Aditi. So what is the shape of orbit? The shape of orbit is elliptical. कई बार हमको question पूछा जा सकता है. That what is the shape of orbit? Orbit का shape क्या होता है? What is the shape of orbit? So we have to keep in mind the shape of orbit is elliptical. Okay, what is the shape of orbit? The shape of the orbit is elliptical. Okay. Why? There is no reason for it, Bhavya. Shape ही होता है orbit का. It is elliptical. Okay, to reduce the maximum force and proper जो movement produce करने के लिए, this shape is the most suitable. The shape of orbit will keep in mind it is elliptical shape. The next question after this is question number 6. Why is Earth called as blue planet? What is the reason? Why do we call Earth as blue planet? Because the air color is blue, because the land color is blue, because the building having blue color, because 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. What is the right answer? Why do we call Earth as a blue planet? Earth को हम blue planet क्यों कहते हैं? My voice is not coming properly. Now is it okay? Okay, so the question is, why is Earth called a blue planet? Earth को हम एक blue planet क्यों कहते हैं? So the correct answer for this is because 2/3 of Earth's surface, Earth का जो 2/3 surface है, the 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. 2/3 of Earth's surface किससे covered है? 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Because of this very particular reason, हम क्या कहते हैं? Earth is called as blue planet. Because of this reason, we called Earth as a blue planet because of 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, the next question is, blank is the closest celestial body to our Earth. Which is the closest celestial body to our Earth? Earth, galaxy, moon or planet? Earth के सबसे करीब closest celestial body क्या है? Earth, galaxy, moon or planet? What is the right answer? B, galaxy. Galaxy is not the answer. बेटा galaxy क्या होगा? Galaxy is the collective noun for stars, a group of stars. Okay, collective noun for stars जो होता है हमारा, that is galaxy. So what is the closest celestial body? Celestial body के लिए जरूरी नहीं है that it should have light, it should have source of light, it should have heat. ये बिल्कुल भी required नहीं है. Okay, so closest celestial body क्या है? The closest celestial body is moon. What is the closest celestial body to Earth? The closest celestial body to the surface of Earth is moon. So what is the right answer for question? Moon is the closest celestial body. Which is the closest celestial body of the Earth? Moon is the closest celestial body. Next is the question number 8. Which one of the following is a natural satellite? Question number 8. Which one of the following is a natural satellite? IRSA, EduSat, Moon or INSAT-1? Question number 8. Okay. The first answer for 8 is given by Narendra. Good Narendra. Which is the natural satellite? इनमें से एक नेचुरल सैटेलाइट क्या है? सो द ओनली नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ इज मून. अर्थ का सिर्फ एक ही नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है. व्हाट इज द ओनली नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ? मून. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड, moon is the only natural satellite of earth. So correct answer for the question is option C. Okay, the moon is the only natural satellite of earth. IRSA, EduSat, INSAT, they are the artificial satellite. ये हमारे कैसे satellites हैं? All of them, they are the artificial satellite. The only natural satellite we have is moon. So correct answer for the question is option C, moon. Next question is question number 9. The planets do not have blank of their own. Planets के पास अपना खुद का क्या नहीं होता है? They do not have their heat or water. They do not have their oxygen and water. They do not have their own water and light. Or they do not have their own heat and light. What do planets do not have their own? Okay. 9 के लिए the correct and first answer is given by Aditi. Good Aditi. What do planets do not have their own? Planets के पास अपना खुद का क्या present नहीं होता है? They do not have their heat or light. They do not have water, light, oxygen and water, and heat and water. So you have to keep in mind what is the right answer. The correct answer is heat and light. Planets do not have their own heat and light. Planets के पास अपना खुद का heat and light present नहीं होता. Okay, so any celestial body which has heat and light, जिसके भी पास अपना खुद का heat का source होगा. Any celestial body which has its own light source, अगर खुद का heat source है, खुद का light source है, we are going to call such a celestial body as star. ऐसी celestial body को हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to call such a celestial body as a star. But a celestial body which do not have its own heat and own light, such a celestial body is called planet. ऐसी celestial body को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them planets. So planets depend on stars. Planet किस पे depend करते हैं? Planets depend entirely on star for their source of heat and light. वो अपने heat and light के लिए किस पे depend करते हैं? They depend entirely on planet. For example, अगर आप देखो nearest star is sun. Sun के पास अपना खुद का heat है, sun के पास अपना खुद का light है. Then we have Earth. Earth is a planet. Earth do not have its own heat. Earth do not have its own light. Earth depends entirely on sun for the source of heat and light. Okay. Water के लिए अगर हम देखेंगे, so Earth has its own water. Earth has oxygen. So planets के पास oxygen water present हो सकता है, but planets do not have their own heat and light. The next question after this, question number 10. A group of blank forming various patterns is called constellation. What is constellation? Constellation is a group of what? Constellation किसका group होता है? What is constellation? Very good. The first answer here is given by Narendra. Very good, Narendra. What is constellation? Constellation is a group of stars. Okay, what is constellation? Constellation is a group of stars. Constellation क्या होता है? Constellation is a group of stars. We have various constellations. कुछ constellations के हमको names याद रखने हैं. Like we have got the 7 stages or Saptarishi. It is a group of 7 stars. Okay, 7 stages, or Saptarishi is a constellation which is a group of 7 stars. Then we have Ursa Major or Big Bear. Likewise, we have Orion. Orion is also a constellation. तो कुछ constellations के हमको name यहाँ पे याद रखना है. Seven sages is also called as Saptarishi. Okay, 7 sages or Saptarishi. This one is very important. Okay. Correct answer for the question is option A. The next question after this, which one of the following planets has a reddish appearance? इनमें से किस planet का थोड़ा सा reddish appearance होता है? Mars, Venus, Saturn or Mercury? Mars, Venus, Saturn or Mercury. Which planet has a reddish appearance? Mars, Venus, Saturn or Mercury. What will be the correct answer? Everyone answered correctly here. Good. C is not the right answer, Narendra. Mars. Okay, Mars is the planet. इसका appearance कैसा होता है? Mars has a reddish appearance. What is the appearance of Mars? Mars as a planet has a reddish appearance. Mars का reddish color appearance होता है. So right answer for the question is option A. Question number 12. The 3/4 of sun is made up of. The 3/4 of sun मतलब 3/4 of sun is made up of which gas? 3/4 of sun किससे बना होता है? Is it made up of methane gas? Is it made up of magnesium gas, hydrogen gas and water gas? 3/4 of sun is made up of which gas? 12th के लिए magnesium. No, C is the right answer. Okay, so methane is not incorrect. Methane is CH4. Methane को हम क्या कहते हैं? Methane is also called as biogas or gobar gas. Methane के लिए हम term use करते हैं biogas or gobar gas. Magnesium is a metal. Okay, after this you have got water, H2O. ये भी incorrect है. So you have to keep in mind the gas mainly present. कौन सा gas mainly present होता है sun में? 3/4 of sun has hydrogen gas. Okay, 3/4 of sun is made up of gas नहीं कहेंगे. Hydrogen element. 3/4 of sun contains hydrogen element. So right answer for the question is option C. What will be the correct answer? Hydrogen over here is the correct answer. So ये बहुत important question है. You have to keep this in mind. The next question is question number 13. How many planets are there in our solar system? हमारे solar system में total कितने planets हैं? 5, 8, 6 और 9. How many planets are there in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. How many planets are there? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. B. Very good. Everyone answered correctly. So how many of them are now? Count कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many planets are there in total? In total we have 8 planets. How many planets are there in our solar system? हमारे solar system में total there are 8 planets. Okay, I have not looked into it कि किसने first answer किया for the third question. Okay, आपने ही correct answer first answer किया है नरेंद्र. Okay, so total we have 8 planets. इसके पहले earlier Pluto was also a part of solar system. Pluto को भी हम consider किया करते थे, but now Pluto is no longer considered to be as a part of our solar system. Okay, the next question after this we have is question number 14. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? किस planet को हम कहते हैं Earth's twin? Mars, Saturn, Venus, Mercury. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Mars, Saturn, Venus or Mercury? Good. First answer is given by Narendra. Earth's twin. Which planet is called as Earth's twin? So we have to keep in mind Venus. Which planet is referred to as the Earth's twin? Venus is called as Earth's twin. Okay, which planet is called as Earth's twin? So Aditi, beta Mars is not the answer. Venus को हम कहते हैं. Venus looks pretty much similar in appearance to the Earth. इसीलिए हम Venus को कहते हैं. Venus is the Earth's twin. The first answer here is also given by Narendra. Okay, so the first answer is given by Narendra and the right answer for the question is Venus. Okay, the next question after this, the pole star indicates to which direction? Pole star कौन सा direction indicate करता है? North, east, south or west? Which direction is indicated by pole star? Pole star indicates which direction? Pole star हमको कौन सा direction indicate करता है? For the question number 15, provide your answers everyone. The first answer correct is given by Aditi. Very good Aditi. Okay, pole star indicates which direction? Pole star indicates the north direction. Pole star हमको कौन सा direction देखने में help करता है? Pole star helps us to observe the north direction. It helps us to observe which direction? It will help us to observe north direction. So ancient times when there was no magnets, when there was no compass, डायरेक्शंस को देखने का कोई सोर्स नहीं था, तो पीपल यूज टू यूज नॉर्थ स्टार. ओके, पीपल किसको यूज किया करते थे? पीपल हैव टू यूज पोल स्टार. पोल स्टार को लोग ऑब्जर्व किया करते थे. विद द पोजीशन ऑफ पोल स्टार हम हमेशा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन का पता लगा सकते हैं, बिकॉज पोल स्टार हेल्प्स इन द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. पोल स्टार हमको कौन सा डायरेक्शन हेल्प करता है ऑब्जर्व करने में? हेल्प्स अस टू ऑब्जर्व द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वेरी पर्टिकुलर रीजन पोल स्टार इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज नॉर्थ स्टार. पोल स्टार को हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉर्थ स्टार. आप एक कॉन्स्टलेशन का नाम याद रखेंगे यहाँ पे, सप्तऋषि. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्स्टलेशन सप्तऋषि हम पोल स्टार को या नॉर्थ स्टार को बहुत ही इजीली स्काई में जो है लोकेट कर सकते हैं. सो राइट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन इज north direction, option A. Next question after this is question number 16. How many does it take the earth to revolve around the sun? How many days does it take the earth to revolve around the sun? 120, 365 days, 1 by 4, 20, 541. 16. Okay, I'm now not writing anyone's name. Everyone is fighting in the chat box. I'm not writing the name. Provide your answer. How many days does it take for earth to revolve around the sun? क्या करेक्ट आंसर होगा यहाँ पे? वेरी गुड, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, टोटल कितने डेज लगते हैं अर्थ को टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन? इट टेक्स अ टोटल ऑफ 365 days. It takes a total of 365 days and 1 by 4 day. 1 by 4 day कितना होता है? 1 by 4 day is 6 hours. So 1 year, every time हम क्या करते हैं? We celebrate 1 year of 365 days. एक year हम कितने days का मनाते हैं? We celebrate it of 365 days. एंड ये जो 1 year 1 by 4 या 6 hours हमारे जो एवरी ईयर बचते हैं, इनको वी कलेक्टेड फॉर 4 years. एंड आफ्टर एवरी 4 years हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? आफ्टर एवरी 4 year वी ऑब्जर्व लीप ईयर. आफ्टर एवरी 4 years वी ऑब्जर्व लीप ईयर. हर 4 साल के बाद हमको क्या देखने मिलता है? वी ऑब्जर्व लीप ईयर. लीप ईयर हैज अ टोटल ऑफ हाउ मेनी डेज? लीप ईयर हैज अ टोटल ऑफ 366 days. Leap year में we have 1 day extra in February, so February has 29 days. So this also you have to keep in mind along with that. Next is the question number 17. A huge system of stars is called as moon, earth, galaxy or planet. A huge system of stars is called as, what do we call a huge system of stars? Moon, earth, galaxy or planet. C. Very good. What is the correct answer here? Everyone is providing the answer correctly. A huge system of stars. एक बहुत बड़ी stars की system को हम क्या कहेंगे? We call it galaxy. Okay, so stars के लिए we have two collective nouns. दो collective nouns है हमारे पास. The first collective noun is constellation. A group of stars is called constellation. And इसके अलावा a huge system of stars is called as galaxy. Okay, so constellation and a huge system of stars is called as galaxy. So both of them you have to keep in mind very clearly. The next question after this is stars appear to move from which direction? Stars हमको किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हुए अपीयर करते हैं? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, साउथ टू वेस्ट. Stars appear to move from west to east, east to west, north to south, south to west. Okay, let us see who will answer the question correctly. अभी तक किसी ने भी करेक्ट आंसर नहीं प्रोवाइड किया. So stars move in which direction? तो स्टार का मूवमेंट देखने के लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ. ओके, अर्थ किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है? देखिए आप यहाँ पे. So अर्थ will move in which direction? This is north, south, east, west. अर्थ जो होता है, अर्थ always move from west to east. अर्थ किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है? अर्थ moves in the direction of west to east. What is the direction of movement of earth? Earth का movement direction क्या होता है? West to east. Now because earth moves west to east, तो हमको stars कैसे move करते हुए दिखेंगे? Stars will appear to move east to west. क्योंकि earth कैसे move कर रहा है? Because earth is moving from west to east. Earth is moving in which direction? Earth is moving from west to east. तो stars हमको कैसे move करते हुए दिखेंगे? Stars हमको move करते हुए दिखेंगे from east to west. Just the opposite of sun. So you have to keep in mind this question very clearly. This is very important. I'll not write anyone's name क्योंकि सभी ने answer incorrectly provide किया. Okay, so what will be the correct answer here? East to west. Why do stars appear to move from east to west? क्योंकि अर्थ कैसे मूव करता है? अर्थ मूव्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. तो स्टार्स कैसे मूव करेंगे? जस्ट द अपोजिट ऑफ दैट. व्हाट विल बी द अपोजिट? ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. तो ये भी आपको यहाँ पे याद रखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? इनमें से solar system में largest planet कौन सा है? Venus, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Quickly provide your answer. Which planet is the largest planet in the solar system? Good. Everyone answered correctly. D is the correct answer here. Jupiter. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Solar system का सबसे बड़ा largest planet कौन सा है? तो हम ध्यान रखेंगे. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Next question after this. Asteroids are found between the orbit of. Asteroids are found between the orbit of Mercury and Venus, Mars and Venus, Mars and Mercury, Mercury and Saturn, Mars and Jupiter. इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम understand करेंगे about the concept of solar system. The first planet in the solar system we have is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars. After that, what is present? After that we have asteroid belt. यहाँ पे क्या present है? This is entirely your asteroid belt. Once again after this, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Then you have got Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is this? This is your asteroid belt. Asteroid belt में asteroids present होते हैं. So where is asteroid belt present? Asteroid belt कहाँ पे present होता है? Asteroid belt is present between Mars and Jupiter. किन दो planet के orbits के बीच में present है? It is present between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This is your orbit of Mars. This is your orbit of Jupiter. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या हमको देखने मिलता है? We observe the asteroid belt. तो correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Option D. That is asteroid belt is present in between. Asteroid belt is present between which two planets? It is present between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The next question is, how does moon shine? What makes the moon shine? Moon कैसे shine होता है? Moon has its own natural light. It reflects the light of Venus. It reflects the light of Earth, or it reflects the sunlight. What is the correct answer? How does moon shine, or what makes the moon shine? Option D. Very good. Okay. Why does moon shine? Moon क्यों shine करता है? Now you have to keep in mind what is moon. Moon is a celestial body. Moon क्या है? Moon is a celestial body. Okay, and moon cannot shine on its own. Moon अपने आप से खुद से shine नहीं कर सकता, because moon has no heat and light. Moon के पास अपनी खुद की heat and light present नहीं है. Okay, so moon will reflect the light of sun. Moon क्या करता है? Moon reflects the light of sun. So correct answer will be, how does moon shine? What makes the moon shine? Moon reflects the sunlight of the sun. So correct answer for the question is option D. Question number 22. What is the orbital period of the moon? What is the orbital period of the moon? Orbital period of the moon means time required to complete one orbit. Okay, time required to complete one orbit. What is the time required to complete one orbit? एक पूरा orbit round करने में कितना time जो है moon को required होता है? What is the correct answer here? What is the orbital period of the moon? Moon का orbital period कितना होता है? B. That's correct. What is the orbital period of the moon? Orbital period of the moon is 27.32 days. या approximately इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? 27 days. It takes approximately 27 days for the sun to revolve around the, or 27 days for the moon to revolve around the earth. So orbital period of the moon is how much? Orbital period of the moon is 27.32 days. The next question is, the stars are not visible during the day because. Why are stars not visible during the day? Because of self-illumination, because stars are far from the earth, because the sunlight is very bright, because their size is large. What is the correct answer? Why are stars not visible during the daytime? Stars daytime में क्यों visible नहीं होते? Correct. Aditi has answered correctly here. Stars are not visible during the daytime because the sunlight is very bright. Because sunlight कैसे होता है? The sunlight is very bright. Because of this very particular reason, जो stars होते हैं, they are not visible during the daytime. इस reason के कारण क्या होता है? The stars are not visible during the daytime. So stars क्यों daytime में visible नहीं होते हैं? They are not visible during the daytime because during this particular time sunlight is very bright. क्योंकि sunlight कैसे होता है? Sunlight is very bright. And the last question for today, why does moon appear bigger to us? Moon appears big because it is very big than the earth, it is bigger than the sun, it is near to the earth, it is far away from the earth. why does moon appear big? moon हमको बड़ा क्यों appear होता है? Why does moon appear bigger to us? What is the correct answer? D. It is far away from the earth. No, it is not that reason. moon हमको क्यों bigger appear होता है? moon appears bigger to us because it is near to the earth. moon appears bigger to us because it is near to the earth. क्योंकि ये earth के पास में present है, earth के काफी करीब है. because of this reason moon होता है हमको वो bigger appear होता है. So with this way everyone, we have solved the 24th question today. Okay, so 24 questions हमने solve किए हैं from the topic of solar system. Now next class everyone, we are going to have once again tomorrow. पे हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे अबाउट द फर्स्ट इन इंडिया. मेल फीमेल दोनों के कंबाइनली रहेंगे, बट वी विल बी डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ फर्स्ट इन इंडिया. तो आज का जो क्लास है यहीं पे हम समाप्त करेंगे. इसके साथ ही साथ फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू आर गेटिंग टू वांटिंग टू कनेक्टेड विद द मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज, तो आप यहाँ पे इसी के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हो. डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू ज्वाइन ऑन द वेबसाइट के थ्रू आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो सकते हो 3 कंप्लीट सिलेबस मॉक टेस्ट के लिए. And our new batch for Sainik School and Rashtra Military School entrance exam course recently ही अभी start हुआ है. डेली इसमें आपके क्लासेस होते हैं, आप इसको यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. 4 सेक्शंस जितने भी हैं आपके, मैथमेटिक्स, इंग्लिश, जीके, रीजनिंग, पूरे यहाँ पे कंडक्ट होंगे. यू विल हैव डेली प्रैक्टिस पेपर, संडे टेस्ट एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट जो यहाँ पे कंडक्ट होंगे अभी जुलाई से लेकर आपके फाइनल तक. देयर विल बी टोटल 45 टेस्ट जो है आपके वो कंडक्ट होंगे. दीज आर इन एडिशन टू द डेली प्रैक्टिस पेपर. तो संडे के जो टेस्ट हैं आपके 45 कंप्लीट सिलेबस के टॉपिक वाइज, ऑल दीज टेस्ट आर गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड हियर. तो डायरेक्टली आप इसको यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन कनेक्ट ऑन आवर वेबसाइट और इस नंबर पे भी आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो एंड डायरेक्टली यू कैन कनेक्ट विद ओवर हियर. तो कुछ भी आपको नहीं करना है, यू जस्ट हैव द व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8305103918. उस पर डायरेक्टली जस्ट मैसेज एंड वहां से आप डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट हो सकते हो. सो आज की जो क्लास है एवरीवन हम यहीं पे समाप्त करेंगे. Okay, no Parth, I was seeing you are answering correctly. Okay, 23 out of 24. Okay, good Narendra. Okay, so आज का क्लास हम यहीं पे समाप्त करेंगे. We'll meet once again tomorrow at 8:15 where we are going to solve the questions from first in males. Okay, and first in India. तो चलिए आज का सेशन हम यहाँ पे समाप्त करेंगे. Bye everyone. Good night.